Welcome to What's Inside a Black Hole. It's not a hole. Get ready to explore one of the universe's most enigmatic objects. Black holes are regions in space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. But what exactly are they? Many people think of black holes as cosmic vacuum cleaners or actual holes in space. These are common misconceptions. The name black hole can be misleading. It's not an empty void, but rather an incredibly dense object. Let's talk about the event horizon, a crucial boundary around a black hole. The event horizon is the point of no return. Once anything, including light, crosses this boundary, it cannot escape. Think of the event horizon as a one-way membrane. You can fall in, but you can't come out. Now let's venture deeper into the core of a black hole, the singularity. At the very center of a black hole lies the singularity, a point of infinite density and incredibly strong gravity. All the mass of the black hole is compressed into this tiny point, leading to unimaginable gravitational forces. Black holes don't just pull things in, they warp the very fabric of space-time. Imagine space-time as a trampoline. A black hole is like a heavy bowling ball, creating a deep well that distorts the fabric around it. This gravitational well is why objects are drawn towards a black hole, not because it's sucking them in, but because they are simply following the curvature of space-time. So what would happen if you were to fall into a black hole? It's not a pleasant thought. You'd experience spaghettification. The intense gravitational forces would stretch you out like spaghetti, with your feet feeling a stronger pull than your head. Time itself would behave strangely. For an outside observer, you would appear to slow down and freeze at the event horizon, never truly crossing it. Black holes might not be forever. Let's explore Hawking radiation. Stephen Hawking theorized that black holes emit radiation, slowly losing mass and eventually evaporating over vast periods of time. This groundbreaking theory challenges our understanding of black holes and suggests they are not eternal cosmic prisons. Let's recap what we've learned about these fascinating cosmic entities. Inside a black hole, you encounter the event horizon, the singularity, and a dramatically warped spacetime. The universe still holds many mysteries about black holes, and ongoing research continues to uncover their secrets. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic journey.